More updates coming in. The latest with regards to the Rajasthan political crisis at this point. The Congress now passing a crucial resolution at the Congress MLAs meeting. The resolution has now called for action against those involved in anti-party activities. Now, this even at a time where we are looking at the entire crisis there deepening, because at this point we are looking at several attempts being made to further pacify the situation and to bring the situation under control. Earlier in the day, we had also seen a sort of olive branch that extended to Sachin Pilot in the form of Randeep Surjewala giving out a statement saying that all is well and all the differences can be sorted out through discussion on the table, while confirming and reiterating that the party has a majority in Rajasthan and it cannot be toppled. So that of course is the latest update coming in. However, as there was a Congress Legislative Party meet, the CLP meeting that had taken place, which saw at least a massive strength of at least 102 MLAs there, also flaunting the victory sign, showing that they are together and they stand together behind Ashok Gehlot. Let me bring in my colleague Ayushman for further updates on this. Ayushman, a crucial resolution there at the CLP meet, and this is going to be extremely crucial to see what happens next, as the resolution has now called for an action against all those who are going to be involved in anti-party activities. What would it mean going further at this point, where we are looking at few MLAs who weren't part of this meeting?
Yes, Apurva, in fact, two crucial things which have happened right now. One is that all the MLAs are being taken to one of the resort, a Fairmount resort in Jaipur. Now, if all of them have supported Ashok Gehlot, what is the point taking them to resort? That remains one question. And the second one, the CLP resolution has clearly called for action against people who are, in a way, weakening the government as well as the party's stance in the state of Rajasthan. And for that, what sort of action will be taken? Because clearly, Sachin Pilot wasn't a part of it, and Congress had earlier extended the olive branch to him, but that did not clearly work out. And it will be important to see as to what happens to the fate of Sachin Pilot in Rajasthan now.
Absolutely, and that remains a crucial question at this point. Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking updates. Meanwhile, as the Rajasthan political turmoil there intensifies, all the MLAs in the Gehlot camp have now been moved to the Fairmount Hotel in Jaipur. In fact, this after Gehlot even staged a show of strength there, with over 100 MLAs attending the Congress Legislative Party meet in Jaipur today. On the other hand, Sachin Pilot, who is in Delhi, claims he has the support of 30 Congress MLAs. Now, amid this internal rift, Congress and the sources there claiming that Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi has now stepped in and is in the process of speaking to both Chief Minister Gehlot and Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. Let me go across to my colleague Kangana, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Kangana, what more details can you share with us at this point on the current situation? Because we did see a massive show of strength there at the CLP meeting. There is, of course, a crucial resolution that has also been passed warning those involved in anti-party activities. But in terms of the current situation, what lies ahead for the Sachin Pilot camp?
Well, there is one thing which is very clear. The entire situation, political situation of Rajasthan government is extremely vague. Whereas at one point, the Ashok Gehlot camp in Rajasthan in Jaipur is showing a victory sign, and they are claiming that they have a support of 106 MLAs with them. On the other hand, Sachin Pilot, along with his MLAs, have created a situation over here in Manesar where they are saying that Sachin Pilot camp MLAs are staying inside ITC Grand Hotel where I'm standing right now. What information that we have got is approximately 30 MLAs 30 rooms have been booked inside ITC Grand Manesar, but approximately 10 to 12 MLAs are staying here. This entire situation is extremely vague and hazy, only because of the fact that on one end, where for the last 48 hours, the top Congress leaders are trying to get in touch with Sachin Pilot. Sachin Pilot has not shown his face. He is he's completely under under the radar right now from both the Congress party leaders, where Rahul Gandhi and K.C. Venugopalan and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are trying to get in touch with Sachin Pilot. On the other hand, Ashok Gehlot in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, is already claiming a victory with 106 MLAs. Even though on some part of views where Sachin Pilot says that even if we accept that he says that he has a support of 30 MLAs, if for what the information that we are getting here, if 10 to 12 MLAs are staying inside ITC Grand, that will not be enough to topple the government in Rajasthan state. So again, resort politics have begun. On one hand, where 12 to 12 MLAs are staying inside Manesar Resort in ITC Grand. On the other hand, there are buses that have been arranged where MLAs of Ashok Gehlot camp have been taken to Fairmont Hotel in Jaipur. So resort politics is on. This is the third state where we are seeing that resort politics has taken place. It started with Maharashtra, Karnataka, and then finally Rajasthan. So it's going to be an interesting scene of events which will be folded in a couple of days, giving us a clear picture whether the Congress party will be able to form its government in Rajasthan, or the Sachin Pilot camp will join hands with the BJP.
All right, Kangana, many thanks for joining us and giving us those updates there from Manesar in Haryana. We are getting some news that's breaking this minute. Now, sources are indicating that there are talks that are taking place between Pilot and the Congress High Command at this point. Sources also indicating that Pilot is in fact seeking for 4 cabinet berths for his supporters and also wanting the state president from his camp. In fact, sources also indicating that Sachin Pilot could be offered the post of General Secretary of the Congress as well. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja, getting us those important updates there. Meenakshi, over to you. What are your sources now indicating? There is, of course, hectic negotiations that are taking place at this point, trying to bring back Sachin Pilot to the camp. What are your sources telling you about the kind of negotiations that are currently underway?
As we have showcased to our viewers, there are several layers that really break out once a controversy of this nature spills into the public domain. And for the immediate worry for Congress now is also saving the government, which we have seen play out because of the presence of senior leaders like Randeep Surjewala and Ajay Maken, along with Avinash Pandey in Jaipur. But on the other hand, there are a lot of below the surface activities, like, for instance, Priyanka Gandhi herself getting involved to try and bridge or narrow the gulf between Ashok Gehlot and Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. And in the process of those talks which are underway, below the surface negotiations, as it is termed, to placate Sachin Pilot, there are several permutations and combinations that are being considered, Apurva. One is, like you rightly mentioned, we have seen Sachin Pilot cite his disgruntlement about the lack of autonomy that was purportedly not given to him to bring about organizational reform under Ashok Gehlot as Chief Minister. So, of course, one of those aspects is pertaining to how there should be cabinet expansion in Rajasthan, and 4 of his supporters can perhaps be accommodated in cabinet berths in the state. And that apart, like you rightly mentioned, the possibility of some position or designation being offered to Sachin Pilot at the central Congress level, which is the CWC, wherein he can utilize his services more in Delhi. That is also one of the aspects which is being looked at. So a lot of back and forth is happening as we speak, Apurva. But clearly, Sachin Pilot also making it very clear that he's not inclined towards joining the BJP for now. And obviously for the Congress, we saw Randeep Singh Surjewala make a detailed statement earlier in the day where clearly the Congress was also trying to strike a reconciliatory approach towards Sachin Pilot.
All right. Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking inputs. Welcome back. Let's get you more breaking updates coming in. The latest in the Rajasthan political crisis at this point. The buses there carrying MLAs have reached the Fairmount Hotel in Jaipur. In fact, remember, the MLAs from the Gehlot camp have been moved to the hotel. Now, this after the CLP meeting that had taken place, the visuals of which you're looking at your screens there, in which the MLAs, there were 100 of them, had pledged their support to the Gehlot government, and they were, of course, also flaunting the victory sign there as a mark of strength and their support to support the Gehlot government. Right after that, we're looking at this big development now coming in with buses there carrying the MLAs, which has reached the Fairmount Hotel in Jaipur, and these MLAs are from the Gehlot camp who have been now moved to the hotel. Remember, resort politics is back once again in the state of Rajasthan amid the deepening crisis there that we have been witnessing. On one hand, we are looking at the Congress, which is still trying to woo Sachin Pilot, asking him to return to the camp, and also extending an olive branch, saying all the differences and all the discussions can be done, issues can be resolved. The fact that the party still stands united, there is nothing that can topple the government in Rajasthan, and also with the show of strength there that was seen earlier in the day, the Gehlot camp and also the Gehlot government there pledging at least more than 100 MLAs who have been in support of Ashok Gehlot. But importantly, we are looking at further developments now coming in at a time where the Rajasthan political crisis has been deepening. For this, we are also looking at Priyanka Gandhi, who has also now taken charge to sort out the Rajasthan crisis at this point, to broker peace between the leaders at this point. But this is big development coming in from Jaipur, where right after the CLP meeting and the show of strength that we saw at the CLP meeting, which took place at Gehlot's residence in Jaipur, now we are looking at the buses that are carrying MLAs that have reached the Fairmount Hotel in Jaipur, and these MLAs are from the Gehlot camp being moved to the hotel amid the charge of also horse trading that is taking place. This is, of course, resort politics that is back once again in the state of Rajasthan. Earlier in the day, we had also seen several developments that had taken place in the form of the CLP meeting that had taken place, in which there was, of course, a massive show of strength that was also seen through all the MLAs there who had reached the Gehlot residence to attend the CLP meeting. And of course, we are looking at several developments that had also come in earlier in the day, which also included the political crisis which continues to intensify in the state of Rajasthan, and 102 MLAs at Gehlot's residence for the Congress Legislative Party meeting. Meanwhile, Sachin Pilot there choosing to skip the meeting. However, the Congress earlier in the day had also declared that there is no threat to the Gehlot government, while extending an olive branch there to Sachin Pilot, saying that all the differences can be resolved. They have to just sit across the table and sort out the differences, and there is absolutely no harm that will be done to the party or the government in Rajasthan, declaring that there is absolutely no threat to the government in Rajasthan and the Gehlot government there. However, in order to resolve the further rift that is taking place at this point, we are looking at Priyanka Gandhi, who has, of course, stepped in to further resolve the Rajasthan crisis. She would be speaking to both Sachin Pilot as well as Ashok Gehlot, even as the Congress there appealing to Pilot to resolve the differences between them. Let me go across to my colleague Mohit for further updates on this. Mohit, big developments coming in at a time where we saw that massive show of strength there at the CLP meeting with all the MLAs as well as a beaming Ashok Gehlot flaunting a victory sign. Right after that, we're looking at those developments there of MLAs from his camp being moved to the Fairmount Hotel in Jaipur.
Well, and it clearly shows that there is some doubt within the minds of Ashok Gehlot and the top leadership of the Congress party, and they are, as of now, not taking any chances, and hence the MLAs are not being allowed to move to their respected places. In fact, they have been put in a hotel which is on Delhi-Jaipur Road. It's a Fairmount Hotel, and you can see behind me are the scenes. The road has been completely blocked. The MLAs and the other leaders of the Congress party are coming over there. Nobody without proper check-in can go towards the hotel from that side, and you can see senior officials are themselves on the spot. Now, this comes in the background of the fact that Sachin Pilot, according to the sources, has said that many of the MLAs, without their wishes, have been asked to go to the hotel, and also they were being threatened by the top leadership of the Congress party, and hence they came to the CLP meet. So, as of now, the Ashok Gehlot government is not taking any chances, and hence we see that how all the MLAs who were there at the residence of Ashok Gehlot, they have been moved to the Fairmount Hotel, and you can see how strict checking is going on. Every single car is being thoroughly checked by the police officials over here. The traffic police officials are also here, while the Rajasthan police officials are also here. The road has been completely barricaded.
Okay.
So while we see the Sachin Pilot is still in Delhi, the top leadership of the Congress party is still trying to talk to him. On the other hand, the resort politics has also started. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will come out of this. But yes, top leadership of the Congress party still wants that Sachin Pilot should forget all his grudges and come with the Congress party. But then are there many options left with Sachin Pilot? This is what we have to see, because in fact, if we go by those pictures which came out of the CLP meeting, it clearly shows that Ashok Gehlot has the majority. So where exactly Sachin Pilot will be accommodated, this has to be seen, or whether Sachin Pilot will break away from the party or not. That is, and you can see the special
Absolutely.
task force are also been deployed over here. So the government is not taking any chances. The force has been also deployed over here. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will come out of this resort politics.
Absolutely. Boy, one thing is for sure, Mohit, resort politics is back once again. We are looking at dramatic developments that are taking place. Quick tracking those developments. We'll come back to you for the latest. For the moment, many thanks for joining us.